Hello everybody, welcome back in lesson 2. In this lesson you will learn numbers in Urdu language from 21 to 40. If you want to start from 0, please see our lesson 1. Let's have a start. 21 Iktees, ik and then say keys. In Urdu language there is no order in Urdu numbers. You need to memorize all number from 1 to 100. After this the numbers have a sequence. And there is no special rule to memorize them, but I will give you a little key will help you to memorize them. For example, in here we have 21. We know 1 in Urdu language is ek and 20 is bāīs. So see here, ek and then bāīs. From opposite side 1 and 20. So 1 ek and then 20 is Iktees. Is it clear? Iktees. This rule is not actually to memorize all the numbers in Urdu language, but it will only help you to keep difference between numbers in Urdu language. But you still need to memorize from 1 to 100. Next we have 22. Baais. 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 23. Taimtīs. Taimtīs. We know in Urdu language 3 is teen and 20 is bāīs. So ta mean 3 and is mean 20. Taimtīs. 24 Chaubees. Chhabees. 25 Pachchees. Pachchees. Don't make a long sound like pach, but short sound like pach, pach, and then say cheese like we say cheese. Pachchees. 26 Chhabbees. Chab and then bees. Chhabbees. 27 sattāis with soft T like in Arabic or Spanish language. Sattaees. 28 agian, hard sound of T and H like in 8 which is art. Atha and then is. Athais. 29 Untees. First say un and then say tees. Untees. In number 29 follow 30 which is tees. Therefore we say un and tees. 30 tees. Tees with soft sound of T like in Arabic and Spanish language. 31 Iktees. Ik mean 1 and tees mean 30. So ek and tees that mean 31. Iktees. 32 Battees. Bat and then tees. Don't make a long sound but with soft T and short sound Battees. 33 Tantees. Ten tees. 10 mean 3, teen and tees mean 30. Tantees. You can get help from here if you difficult to pronounce. 34 Chauntees. Chaun and then say tees. Chauntees. 35 Pantees. Pen like we say pant. Pen and then say tees. Pantees. 36 Chhatees. Chat and tees. Chhatees. 37 Santees. San and then tees like in here. Santees. 38 Urdu's. Ur with hard sound of R and TH. Ur and then these. These. And in second last we have 39 Untiles. 39 is following 40, therefore we use लीस which is चालीस. So 39 is untalis, unta and then say लीस, untalis, 39. And in the last we have 40, chalis, chalis. At the end let's have a quick revision. Iktees, बाईस, तेईस, चौबीस, पच्चीस, छब्बीस, सत्ताईस, अट्ठाईस, उनतीस, तीस, इकतीस, बत्तीस, तैंतीस, चौंतीस, पैंतीस, छत्तीस, सैंतीस, अड़तीस, उनतालीस, and last is चालीस. I hope this lesson helped you to learn more number in Urdu language. If you have any question, you can write in comments, or you can WhatsApp, or you can Skype us also. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe us for our next lesson. Have a nice day. See you in the next lesson. Allah Hafiz.